25% of UK adults identify as flexitarians. Where do you stand this summer? That's right, over 17 million Brits sip mocktails at dry socials, and still enjoy the occasional bacon sarnie. It's like a first date with every bite and sip, a flexible choice, no strings attached. How do you identify? Meat or veg on the grill? Keeping it flexible and green this summer is easier than you think with juicy grilled veggies, zesty fresh salads, and planet-friendly choices that make your barbecue a hit, for your taste buds and the environment. For flexible DIY food options, grow your own juicy tomatoes, fresh herbs, and berries, all sustainably and right from your backyard or balcony garden. Meat-based or plant-based? Vegan dishes are trending and bursting with summer flavors, light, refreshing, and delicious. Good for your body, and great for the planet too. Whether you're a flexitarian, vegan, or eco-lover, if you're looking for fresh ways to explore sustainable lifestyle choices, check out the Green Living blog. Discover the best eco guides, responsible tips, and seasonal updates.